Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine. So here again I am ready with the videos, that is week 6 subject English worksheet number 16. Okay children, and I know that you also having worksheet with you, right? Those who are not having, take out your worksheets. Subject English worksheet number 16. Okay, as we have completed children our capital letters A to Z, we have completed. So this time I gave you uh, after letters, before letters, between letters in your worksheets. Okay, so take out your worksheet number 16. In your worksheet number 16, what you have to do? You have to write the after letters. So ready? Come on. Now A is here. A after which letter you have to write here in the dash? A after B. Good. So write here capital B. Now here is the letter C. C after D you have to write. Okay. Capital D. Now E is here. Capital E is here. E after which number is correct, that only you have to write. Okay. Which one is the correct letter? Sorry, I said number. Which letter is the correct? E after F. F you have to write here. Now G is here. Capital G is here. G after which letter is going to write here in the dash? Which one is the correct letter, children? J, K, L, no. G after H you have to write here. Capital H. Okay. Now I is here. I after J. Write it down, J in the dash. Now capital K is here. K after in the dash which letter you have to write? L. Write capital L in the dash. Now capital M is here. M after write capital N here in the dash. Now O is here. O after which letter you have to write here in the dash? O after P. Good. P you have to write here in the dash. Now like this you have to complete your after letters. Turn the page. Now here Q is here. So Q after, capital Q after which letter is going to write in the dash? R. Capital R. Write in the dash. S after, write it down, T in the dash. Capital T. U after, U is here. In the dash which letter you have to write? U after V. Now W is here. W after which letter is going to write in the dash? Yes? W after X. Now Y, capital Y is here. After Y, Z you have to write. Good. So we have completed our worksheet number 16. Now take out your worksheet number 17. Here in your worksheet number 17, what you have to do, children? See here, write the before letter. Now you have to write before letter. Capital B is here. Before B, which letter is going to come in the dash? Correct letter you have to write here in the dash. B before A. Very good. Write here A in the dash. Now D is here. D before, write it down C in the dash. F is here. F before E. Write in your dash capital E. Now H. Here is the capital H. So before H, which letter is going to come? G. Write here G. Now J is here. This is a capital J. Capital J. Before capital J, which letter you have to write in the dash, children? Yes? Very good. Capital I you have to write like this. Now L is here. Before L, which letter is going to come? Capital K. N is here. So which letter is going to come before N? M. Write in the dash capital M. Now P before. Which letter is going to write before P? O. R is here. So before R, which letter is going to write in the dash? Q. Capital Q. Now here T is here. Before T, which letter is going to write? Capital H. Write in the dash. Now turn the page. Now here V is here. V before, which letter is going to write? V before U you have to write here in the dash. Now X is here. Before X, W write in the dash. Capital W. So, like this you have to complete your worksheet. So you know very well how to complete your worksheet. Like this you have to complete your worksheet number 17. Now take out your worksheet number 18, children. So here, children, in your worksheet number 18, you have to complete your between letters. Okay? What you have to do in your worksheet number 18? Between letters you have to do. Okay? Now here A dash C. So A after and C before, which letter is correct? That letter you have to write in the dash, children. So which one is the correct letter? B is the correct letter. Write here capital B. Now D dash F. So what you have to write here in the dash? Capital E is the correct. Write capital E. G dash I. So G after before I. Which one is the correct letter? H. Write here capital H. J dash L. So which one is the correct letter? Tell me fast. K. Okay. K is the correct letter. Write here in the dash. Now M dash O. M after before O, which letter is going to? We have to write here N. Capital N. Now turn the page. So here P dash R. P after and R before. Which letter is correct? That letter you have to write in the dash. So, which one is the correct letter? Tell me fast. Q is the correct letter. Right here, capital Q. Now, S dash U. Which letter I have to write here in the dash? T is the correct letter. Right here in the dash, capital T. Now, V dash X. Which one is the correct letter? W is the correct letter. Right here in the dash you have to write W. Now, Y after? You know very well. Z you have to write here. So, like this you have to complete your worksheets. Just now we have completed our worksheet number 16, 17 and 18 also. So, you know how to do your work. Okay. Now, I explain you everything, how to complete your worksheet. So, please complete your worksheet with the neat handwriting. Send it to me for correction work. Okay. Thank you children. Allah Hafiz.